Regardless of what kind of creator you are, it's always helpful to market yourself as many ways as possible on social media. I know social media has gotten a bit of a bad rep recently, but it still works as a marketing platform. At any rate, creating an intricate web of all the things that you're involved in can help people find your accounts pretty much anywhere. That's because people who follow you on Twitter may not follow you on Facebook, and vice versa. In fact, very few people that follow me on Twitter follow me on Facebook. And hardly anybody who's subscribed to this YouTube channel follows me on Twitter. But that's my point exactly, is that everybody has a preferred method of consuming your content. Well, I'm Michael with WriterSanctuary, and today we're going to be taking a look at Linktree and how you can use it to broadcast all of your different social media platforms from one spot. Okay, so from what I can gather from Linktree, it is a platform that lets you add all of your social media, and you can just share one link and people can follow pretty much any account they pick. The weird thing is why would I use Linktree as opposed to just creating a blog post and sharing that? Hell, you can do the same thing on a blog page, you just put all your links in one spot. But perhaps Linktree has a few more bells and whistles that a blog post doesn't have. That's why I'm doing a first look. Okay, so let's get started and take a look at what Linktree is and what we can use it for. Okay, the only link you'll ever need. Alrighty. So is it like mobile only? I don't know, I guess we'll play around with it. What is pricing, I wonder? Let's see, Pro, $6 a month. Yeah, from limited links. Oh, sign up for what the hell? Okay, there we go. Unlimited links, QR code, which I don't think I've ever used a QR code in my life. Analytics, totals only for views and clicks. Alright, daily and weekly. Click-through rate, that'd be kind of handy to have. Remove the Linktree logo. Ooh. Change header, bio description, pre-designed themes. Wow. Wow. Okay, so here we go. MailChimp, Facebook. Where you can target your Instagram, Facebook with Facebook Pixel. Zapier, Google Sheets, Unsplash, Tabler. The fuck is Tabler? Amazon Influencer Program. I wouldn't say I'm an influencer. YouTube. Okay, YouTube, Twitch, TikTok, Facebook, and Vimeo. I don't use Vimeo or TikTok, so. Maybe I should start TikTok. Yada yada yada. More. Ooh. Support and sensitive content warnings. Oh no. I'm gonna get triggered. Okay, let's sign up. Let's see. My email address. Alright, well, I can't put this on camera. Oh, wait. Password saved. Okay, we just need to confirm a few things. Tell us your full name. Alright, well, I am... Oops. Michael Brockbank. 3 categories that best describe your Linktree. Well, how the hell would I know? I don't even know what the damn thing does. Right, let's see. I guess. I'll put influencer. I sure as hell ain't a celebrity. There's nothing for writing. Oh, an author. Writer! Oh, look at that. Okay. God, I'm like vulgar today. E-commerce, business professional, internet technology, business professional, independent small business maybe. I don't know. Health and wellness, maybe for the other one. Okay. I don't know. Independent, I guess. I am not a robot. Continue. Select a plan. Well, I ain't gonna spend $6 a month for something that ain't going to bring in $6 a month. So sign up for free. Thanks for signing up. To verify your account, please click on the link sent to your inbox. And Linktree has yet to send me email. Seriously? Felicia bought me 2 coffees. Oh my god. I really need to check my email more often. Okay, well, continue to my Linktree. Since I'm waiting for the email verification. Oh no. To publish your profile, please verify your account by clicking the link to send your email. He didn't send me one. Look, a Zeus member wants to meet me. Yeah, sure she does. Okay, it's not sending me the link. Well, okay, well, I guess while I'm waiting for them to send me the damn email. My Linktree link. Okay. Link. Add a new link. Oh, okay, let's YouTube channel. Why is my phone going off? Alright, where's my channel URL? Okay. Okay. Now what? Look, a YouTube channel. This looks like a YouTube channel. You can now prompt visitors to subscribe to your channel. Oh. Is it going to cost me extra? Oh, see, now I have to go through your damn database. Alright, I'm not going to do that later. I'll do that later. Let's grab my Twitter link here. Go back to that and slap that in here. Bam. I want YouTube to be on the top though. Is there any way to change the color, I wonder? What's this? Support me link. Well, users to make a payment to you. Oh, well. I don't know, I'd feel kind of weird just, hey, pay me. I'm not going to tell you what I do, but pay me. Grab my Facebook page. Bam. I want that one at the bottom because no one ever follows me on Facebook. Okay, so, oh, one more. I got Instagram. Appearance. Okay, what's in here? Ew, themes. Oh, pick an image. Gotta add my image. Every time I make a bio, it sounds so boring. A freelance writer who does stuff. No, probably not. A writer of all kinds, just trying to find his way in the world. Good enough. Alright, let's see. Wow, everything's under pro. I guess if I want to be boring, I have to stick with something, huh? Oh, well, alright. Pink is definitely not my color. Okay, let's try... I like blue. Oh, purple. That's kind of cool. Looks good. Settings. Support banner. Show your support for an important cause with a profile banner. You can have only one turned on at a time. Well, I might do that later because there's a lot of charities I support, but for the gaming things. Maybe I might have to make one of these for Colorado Plays. Mailing list integrations. I don't have any of those, and they're locked anyway. E-commerce. No, I don't sell anything. Sensitive materials. How is that like? No. Each their own, I guess. So I guess that's it. Okay, so what's the purpose then? Just share the link. Sure. Download my Linktree QR code. Yeah. I don't even know how to freaking use those. Okay. Copy my Linktree URL. Okay, look, it's copied. So, is that really all it is? Is just a page that has your links on it? Ooh, ta-da! Wow. You can only see your profile until you verify your account. Well, I would, but you haven't sent the damn email yet. So I can't really do anything with it until they send me this stupid code, or verification link. I haven't got it. I even clicked on the resend verification link. Verify the email's correct. So, yeah, not very impressed with Linktree. Maybe I should just be patient. Let's see, I wonder if I can add an image. Yeah, thumbnail. Set a thumbnail. Upload. Choose from mic. Oh, a bunch of different icons. Where's the... Oh, there it is. Uh-huh. Okay, well, that really didn't do anything. I don't see a image there. I don't know. Okay, so, well, I guess that's about it. That's weird. I've got a view. How can I have a view if it's not even live? I wonder if this is counting as a view. Maybe, I bet. Aside from it taking forever for them to send me the verification link, it's a fairly easy system to use. I'm just not convinced that it's something that's worthwhile for me. I mean, I can just as easy create a page on my website and just share that instead. And sure, the analytical tools are kind of cool, but with a Google Tag Manager, you can do pretty much the same thing. So to be honest, I'm not sure it's worth $6 a month for me just to have a page to show my social links. I can set something up in WordPress with a landing page where I can remove the rest of the site and make it look almost identical to what Linktree just created. It'd take me about an hour, but so essentially you're paying $6 a month for convenience. I guess that's kind of cool from a mobile perspective, and it seems to run great as long as I send the verification link. I'm sure I'll play with it once they send me the verification code. Maybe I'll use it for a couple of months just to see, but yeah, it is what it is. I'll have to get all fancy with it and create my own uploads and graphics, but as you saw, when I added the icon for the Twitter feed or button, it really didn't add the image, it just made it expand, so I'm not really sure why that happened. Maybe it has something to do with the verification link or that I'm on a free account. At any rate, that's what it is. A page to show all of your social links all at once. So how many social media accounts do you have that you actually actively use? Recently, I was going to set up a Pinterest account just to see if I can do some marketing that way, and then I realized I created one a couple of years ago. I completely forgot it was even there. I still haven't added anything to it. I think the ones I'm more active on are probably Twitter. Sometimes I get on Facebook. I'm trying to be more active on Instagram, but I'm just not very good at social media. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. For more videos about blogging, freelance writing, WordPress, text broker, or anything else I cover, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Well, that's going to do it for me today. I'll see you next time.